Well, the best recipes, they're left unwritten. Passing from mouth to mouth through generations, So listen carefully. First, you pick a handful of freshness. Oh, but hey, wait, listen. Make sure you get it from a notion of diversity and richness. The kind you only find near astonishing coastlines and cool waters. Let that marinate. Then you add authenticity. A good dose of it. You bring the pure flavors of culture and tradition and the knowledge of generations to a boiling point. It's not that complicated because you know what happens next? Here enters creativity. You blend all the influences and you let the inspiration do the rest. Sauté in a high heat of adventure and curiosity, and ta-da! Now there's something cooking. Oh, but wait. I'm not done yet. It's time to toss some sustainability. Beware of timings. Gather, combine, and season everything. Reduce, but waste nothing. Let everything rest and release the steam for a moment. And to finalize, add a good pinch of generosity. Yeah, you keep stirring until you get a thick and a homogeneous jus of time and of people. And at this point, now you shall have something really special with a sweetness unlike anything you've ever tasted before. Serve no ponto and taste it.